Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to make a pictorial background in Microsoft Word. So first, go to Microsoft Word and open your Word document. Then double click on the header or go to Insert. Let's close this one first. Or go to Insert and click on Header to insert a header. Select one of these styles. Let's remove this. Then go to design and click on pictures. Insert a picture from your computer or click online pictures to insert an online picture. So let's insert a picture from the computer. Select the picture, then click on insert. Now let's resize the picture to fit the background and click on this icon here and select behind text. Then adjust your picture. And once you're done, right click on the picture and select size and position. And here make sure that the lock aspect ratio and relative to original picture size are checked. Then go to text wrapping and select behind text. Then go to position and select centered and the alignment and page in the relative to menu. Then select alignment here and centered and page and relative to. Then click on OK. And once you're done, just go back to design and click on close header. Now you can insert your text. Let's type anything like text. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.